a glowing orange, the Iranians lived in harmony, a peaceful civilization thriving beneath the golden light of their world. But one day, a glowing winged creature appeared with a dire warning: their world was in danger. Liora, a brave and curious young girl, and her best friend Finn, set out on a quest to save their people. The wise elders revealed that only the seed of life could prevent the destruction of the orange world. Guided by an ancient map, Liora and Finn crossed treacherous lands, braving the dangerous Juice Lake, where powerful storms tried to stop them. Their journey led them through dark forests and across vast chasms, each obstacle more daunting than the last. Along the way, they solved riddles and discovered that the seed of life was hidden in a mysterious cave guarded by an ancient creature. This creature demanded that they prove their courage and love to be worthy of the seed. With unwavering determination, Liora and Finn passed the test, showing the creature that their hearts were pure. The creature, impressed by their bravery, handed them the seed of life. Returning to their home, Liora and Finn planted the seed in the heart of the orange, and from it, new life sprouted, restoring balance and peace to their world. Their journey proved that with love, courage, and determination, even the darkest challenges could be overcome. The Orange Kingdom was saved, and the Iranians celebrated the triumph of hope and unity, knowing that their world would continue to flourish for generations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Dreamy Tunes, and tap the bell so you never miss an adventure.